What's up, everybody? TD Baseball Cards here, another box break video. Today we're opening 2021-22 Upper Deck MVP Hockey. It's a little blaster box. We've got six cards per pack, 15 packs per box, and there's some 2 bonus packs, looks like. I haven't opened any of this stuff before, so it'll be interesting to see. And I'm sure there's going to be some fun names to pronounce in a hockey product. All right. We got 1 stack, 2 stacks. There we go. All right, here we go. Bo, Mackenzie, Cam Atkinson, Robbie, Nathan, and before and after, Tyler Seguin. Not numbered, but nice looking card. Next pack. Ryan Getzlaf, Marc-Andre Fleury, Dennis, Josh Anderson, Sean Monin, and William Nylander. All right. Some nice looking cards. Like I said, I haven't opened this before, so I'm just looking at them. They're looking nice though. Dylan, Pavel, Shea, Martin, Alex, and Alex Ovechkin. Leah, Juice, Yanni, Philip, Austin Matthews, and next pack. Carter Hart, Victor Hedman, Jamie Benn, Rickard Rakell, Nazem Kadri, and we have one of these superscript Cam Atkinson's. Looks like. Not numbered, just insert. Cool card. Sebastian Aho, Thomas Chabot, Mackenzie Weegar, Roman Josi, Ice Battles, Trevor Zegras, and Victor Arvidsson. Another script type one. So we got insert on the back there. Ryan Johansson, John Klingberg, Dougie Hamilton, Morgan Riley, Rock Nelson, and Slapshot. These are cool. These like mascot cards have like a different feel to them. I feel like Pokemon cards almost. I think that's what's kind of they're supposed to kind of meant to be like. Pretty cool. Max, Joel, Anthony Mantha, Christian Dvorak, and rookie Colin, and Tyson Barrie. Ice Battles. All right. What do you guys think of this product? Anybody else opening it? James, Elias Peterson, Oliver, Vladimir, Devin Taus, and Ice Battles Tom Wilson. Got something different on the back. Alex, Josh Bailey, Carter, Nicholas Backstrom, William Karlsson, and gold superscript Clayton Keller. That's cool looking. Not numbered. Rasmus, Mark Stone, Miles Wood, Braden Point, Jack Hughes, MVP battles, ice battles, a heart attack, Evgeny Malkin. It's a cool looking card. There's some nice looking cards in here. Some of these inserts and stuff they got going on. Pretty cool looking. Kevin, Evangie, Jordan Stahl, TJ Oshie, MVP rookies, blue one, Cole Addison, and MVP ice battles, Pius Suter. All right. Patrick Hornqvist, Mikko Rantanen, John Tavares, Anders Lee, Pavel Zacha, and ice battles, Ryan Strome. 2 packs to go. Jack Eichel, Brent Burns, Ivan Perreault, Jonathan Cloud Grow ice battles, and Vladimir Tarasenko. I like the superscript again. Those are cool. And we're gonna do this last pack. Let's see what we got. Brad Marchand, Igor, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Phil Kessel, Alexander Romanov, ice battles, and otherwise like MVP watches, Teuvo Teravainen. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.